Hadir babon neki pajba nong shnong ke shnong umpher Haribhoi district Khamtam ke school St Jude secondary school ki jumat jing e na kapor she kapor tang shupoi ka ayom liur na ke jing slei ka batuit ringkat ko saw wat khendo Badang hakini ki khendiat sngi lasa khiru baka ka badap shadu ki kamera class bad ki yeng briu uba sostene sotun MLA ke jirang minta ke sngi ula shimkhia balum mi UDC ribhoi ki nongkit kam na ke NHAI DDMA ki bor shnong lembat ki bor penyat school ban jurep ya ki nala bad ke jaka tuit baki pajba kim dei shu ban mat ya ke tei ke jing e nakaliang UMLA DC bat ki bor jong ke NHAI kilakular ban shimkhia na ka benta ban weng junom ye ka tei ke jing e ban pin bha bat pin he ikinala khnang ba ka tei ke jing shlei kanum ja shu ha ka tei ke shno nakaliang brother Nicholas Rimai principal ke school St Jude secondary school ulapin pa ba ka daw tan rai hi ka jing tuit ka khendo sha ka tei ka than ka dei na ka jing ti khendo na ka than kiling bala pinlong ya ka tei ka than khamtam ka school puli ban ma jing e na ka por sha ka por
sngi ngi don kene ka school ha St Jude kuma kita bi ka school St Jude da don kano ka jing slap ka ba half ha kene ka area kini ibet ba kene ka school ka kan slay ha kene ka school bakal tak sisa hatu kata-kata kene ke school di Broboy dan tangi dan lang ba di Deputy Commissioner dan ka Haribhoi district di ngapan pau kita play. Thank you so much our Deputy Commissioner for calling all the officers from the NHAI and the consultant from the NHAI and then the engineer from the PWD. And we have the local bodies also from represent coming together. And at the same time, the school authorities, the principal and the teachers here. Ka jingwan ka jongi ha kene ka por kalong ba ni don da kijing sungol kia. Lalu I Deputy Commissioner ngilayo menikran na ka por sa ka por. Agaba ma iru idon ne kijing sokia bani I ka kijing ja ka jinglong jingman gabde ba ka kijing ja biding ne ka school la ka por baslap. Bangilayo ban like ban inspect ya ketika outlet ha ketika main road jong ka national highway. Bangilai ba idon ka jing ko alane kata ka jingruna hagarukom ba baka kanya bakunyo banlek freely lane easily takanya dagmasuk but ngilayo ban penpau hakmat jong ka NHAI nang ka I Deputy Commissioner nang ka I engineer but ngikwa nakliang junga kumunong mikmat ngakwa ba kanika solution kalong bakila ban solve permanently namar bangilai ba man kapur nakwe kapur shakwe pat kadan sha kajing sosnai ke kna school ke bhabdu ek school kajing du ek school ya ka school authority si baro ek jing julor ka jingdu ka jongki te na kata katau nakaliang jungi nga kumunong mikmat kum MLA bat kumju ba di DC bat ki nakaliang ka NHI bat di engineer bat ni kwa hiba kan nikakam kan long bakila ban solve no ploy nang ba onla ban pensuk bat kanum mi sho kano ka jingja ha giding shlei ha kanika thai
the insistence of honorable local MLA and he requested that all the line departments and NHAI should be present. So that's how we have come for this meeting. We are in this recurrent problem of flooding in St Jude School. We are trying to find out a temporary as well as a permanent solution. So we are here with all officers of disaster management, PWD and NHAI. We have inspected the site. We have discussed with NHAI. They are going to submit us a report regarding the permanent solution, how we can solve this problem for good, for eternity. But in the meanwhile, how to basically, relieve this situation temporarily. We have discussed many solutions, and very soon we are going to work on that so that at least for this season the school should not face any problem. Whatever necessary measures have to be taken, we will ensure that they are taken so as to relieve the school of this recurrent problem. There has been quite a lot of infrastructure damage due to the persistent flooding that they encounter whenever there is heavy rain. And we have taken note of that. I'll direct my BDO to compile a report on the same, and under disaster management, disaster relief fund, we'll see how we can compensate the schools so that at least part of the infrastructure can be compensated. can we expect the time frame also can be immediately started, like dredging and all. However, the permanent solution will depend a lot on what are the financial implications and all. But then, as insisted by Honorable Local MLA as well, that we'll continue to follow from district administration side, from government of Meghalaya side, so as to ensure that even the permanent solution, whatever may be the financial implications, but then even that is implemented in a short span of time.
It's very sad to see the flood situation in our school every year. It's happened due to the cutting of the hills in the killing site. I have been here for more than 5 months and experienced a lot of issues, problems occur every month. We are under the flood for at least 5 to 6 months in a year. Till November, we suffer from this first flood. People say that it's not a natural calamity, but they say that it's a human calamity. So I'd like to request the concerned people to see this matter so that we, the human beings, especially the impaired area, may not suffer anymore from this situation.